Now, what are Wi-Fi configurations? Wi-Fi configurations is basically composed of three main sectors. First is home Wi-Fi in public, and third is of enterprises. Now, home many people use for individual purposes in apartment building, in apartments or their buildings. In apartments and building, people use this networks just for internet surfing or data sharing, which is quite simple use. In public, there are around about 70,000 hotspots in the world. Now, hotspot is what? Hotspot is nothing but open Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi for the people to access free internet, accept free internet. So basically, in major cities like, for example, Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay, the Wi-Fi hotspots are created by the municipality itself in order to encourage the use of internet. So that's why the hotspots are being enabled in the entire world, so that the world can come up on the internet. So this is nothing but this is open Wi-Fi. And third is about internet in the corporations, universities, and office parks. In many of the IT parks, if you go, there is a Wi-Fi. You need to register, but there is a secure ID is given to each member who is working in the company. It has got separate ID, and there is a Wi-Fi where you can access your internet in the IT park area. In the universities, students are given the Wi-Fi facility so that they can search on internet about the different ebooks and different technologies which has been used nowadays. And third is about the corporations. Many of the corporations also enable the facility of internet. So it is also a big thing nowadays. The world is changing very fast. Here the now how to form the Wi-Fi configuration. It is shown. Here is the access point, right? You can see here is the access point. Now here is a router, hub, or a cable DSL model. Basically, in broadband internet connection, you have a cable DSL modem. DSL stands for digital subscriber line. Digital subscriber line. So here the internet is shared by a Wi-Fi access point and a hub that contains a single device. So that is connected to the access point, and here the data can be shared wirelessly on a laptop or a mobile phone. A Wi-Fi network can easily set up in a home or a office that allow all the user to share file, printer, and a single internet connection. So this network can be expanded by adding Wi-Fi radio cards to new devices and eliminating need to purchase and install cabling. So basically the cabling is reduced if you start using Wi-Fi, and it is very important. So my friends, this is the picture shows how the configuration is done. Wi-Fi configuration in small public hotspot is that a Wi-Fi is there, hub router is there, and router shares the internet connection in a small public hotspots. Basically it is used in coffee shops, in hotels, in airports, in libraries, in community, in any kind of community areas where the people gather together. Actually, they allow it for the guests and the travelers to connect to public access point, and they can share their email or etc. different files they can transfer in this small public hotspot. Here you can see the combined network like home and home office. For example, the wireless gateway can provide a connectivity for all wireless and wireless network via extra Ethernet jacks located in the gateway. People can use the same network which can be used in office as well as home. That can also be used by using a hub technology. Here the hub is there. By using the hub, here it is connected, and hub is connected to access point, and through access point direct wireless connection is here also. So this can also be used. Now you can see the mobility view, how it can be seen. Here is one axis, here is the organization, any kind of organization. here is the hotspot area, and here is the carrier. Now what happens is that here is nothing but the application server. Here the router is there, and here is the access point. Now access point is nothing but it is distributing internet. Here is another access point. Here is the wireless tower, and wireless tower is connected to internet. Now wireless tower is connected to internet. This wireless tower may be of Idea, Airtel, or Vodafone, or any etc. company, and this internet is distributed over cloud. The internet is shared via satellite, right? So this is the tower, and tower is connected to satellite or internet, and this access point is connected to the wireless tower. This access point is going to distribute. You can see the circle over here. Here circle, in this circle the internet is being influenced, right? Here you can see there is a small router. It has got a limited range. Now the wireless tower, the access point need to comes in that range. Now here there is a coverage gap, right? This access point has got this much coverage area, this access point has got that much coverage area. So here in between there is a coverage gap. If any laptop is set over here, you'll not get the network. It means that there is a coverage gap in between. Basically this type of mobility is found in organizations like IT parks. Many people, IT parks or different kind of corporations, offices, this is seen. And we'll see in the next slide about the employee access.